Hi, I'm Chef Esmeralda, Esmeralda Bettencourt, and we're gonna show you how we cook the New York. Our New York here is coffee, crusted, and we cut it, and it weighs 12 ounces. And we're gonna put it to the grill. And let me show you how we crust it with the coffee. So this is our recipe, which is coffee, brown sugar, salt, pepper, and we have secret ingredients also. And it's not gonna taste like coffee. The coffee is only give it the seal the meat for the better taste. So we put it in the grill for about 3 minutes. So after we put it in the grill, we're gonna put it inside the oven to give it a better tenderness for the meat, better flavor to finish it. So this is how it should be grilled, both sides. And then we finish it in the oven for about a minute or two. And this is when it's tender. It's a medium rare, New York. And we're gonna put it with our mashed potato, house-made mashed potato. And we're gonna serve it with our seasonal veggies, which today we have some butternut, some zucchini, and some carrots. Which our veggies are seasoned with salt, pepper, and thyme. Look at that. And we're gonna finish it with our blue cheese and our secret recipe caramel, New York caramel. A little bit of arugula.